The final battle, the big reveal, the confession at the airport. We think we know what a climax is, but a truly masterful one isn't just the loudest moment. It's the breaking point where a character's entire journey is finally proven. And, ironically, it often begins with total failure. This is the dark night of the soul, that moment right before the end where all seems lost. The hero fails, their mentor dies, the villain is revealed to be far stronger than imagined. This despair is crucial. It forces the protagonist to look inward and decide, do I give up or do I find a new way to win? Because they must be the one to win it. A common mistake is having the hero saved by luck or a convenient side character, but that cheapens their journey. A satisfying climax is resolved through the protagonist's own agency, their own choice. This is the ultimate test of their character arc. We finally see if they've actually grown. Often, that final choice isn't about physical strength, but moral character. Instead of just overpowering the villain, maybe the hero, who started as selfish, makes a selfless sacrifice. This values-based decision is what makes a climax unforgettable. It helps the ending feel both inevitable and surprising. All the pieces planted earlier, a forgotten skill, a minor detail from page 1, suddenly click into place in a way no one saw coming. When the peak tension finally breaks, the audience feels a powerful release. That collective sigh of relief is catharsis. It's the proof that the characters' internal and external wars have been fought and won at the very same time.